Guys, video is one of my favorite planes. Call it the blowing instrument, and then they're bleeding the air out of the brake system.
I'm pumping now. So now the brake is loose all the way now. There's no air in it. Wait, it's getting a little harder. Okay.
It's getting a little harder.
Wait. Oh, it's getting really hard. It's getting harder. Wait,
Which is
something coming out? Yes, flushing over here. Careful. I keep on pumping. Wait, is the brake normal now? Wait.
saan tumagas? Sa reservoir lang?
Yeah.
Okay. Eh,
You have a brake normal now? I have to
Sounds
stop
like good
because
news.
it's coming out. Can I pump again? Can you pump again? The throttle is all the way now, right? Huh? Throttle the pedal.
You getting it?
No, what we are doing now is to let the throttle of the pedal. Yeah. We don't want to press the pedal all the way. We just want to half the
Well,
Okay.
with a very beautiful finishing from Poly Finish.
Okay, guys, wait. Never mind what. Let's see if it works or why. Because when you remove the washers that were behind the piston, what you did is you increased the travel, right? That's what you wanted. So your pedal is not going to be yes, that's true. Okay, can you turn the wheel on and see what happens? Now it's loose. It's loose. Loose. Yeah. Now I'm slowly applying brake.
Yeah, it's biting. Yeah, it's biting.
And now I'm really hitting it. Yeah. You have full pressure on the pedal? Full pressure now.
Full pressure, it's hard.
I can't move it, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, but can somebody watch the piston? Really watch the piston going back? Okay.
The caliper?
Now it's loose. The caliper?
You want me to feel it with my finger?
Huh?
You want me to feel it with my finger? Okay. You're pumping it now?
Yeah.
Yeah, I can feel it. Yeah, I can feel it.
Now brake is on and now brake is off.
Okay, yeah. It's releasing.
Yeah. On.
Yeah. Now it's on pressure. Now it's released, yeah.
Tell me. Somebody turn the wheel so we can see what happens.
Now it's released. Can you put pressure on?
Okay, it's getting.
Yeah, now it's yeah. Yeah.
Off.
Yeah, it's working all right, yeah.
Off. Now all I gotta make sure that I have to think as right and left. If you remove what's on you.
And some aircrafts here with, they call it Fascination, the Cessna 170, 172, some unbuilt aircrafts, the Kit Fox, the Nemesis or Genesis, I think, and the aircraft that I build all by myself, the Challenger, which is also on floats. Every bits and pieces of these, I build it. I build it, including the electronic cockpit system, which has an analog instrumentation at the back and analog versus electronic instrumentation in the front. Emergency recovery chutes, flaps and aileron mixing, the engine, and the puddle jumper floats. You can land it on water or in land, and also we have this the nose works. This is also my original design, and some vortex generator on the wings. Thank you very much.